Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 38. How to add price extension. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add price extension, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select all campaigns and then select campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Now select ads and extensions and click on extensions from the top. Then click on View Site Link Extensions button and you have so many extensions in the list. Select Price Extensions from the list, now click on Create Ad Extension button. Then click on this Add New Price Extension link, then select your language and type from the list. Next add your items, enter header, product description. For price qualifier, you can select no qualifier, from, up to or average. Select from, then your currency, next enter your price, next unit, select it from the list, then enter your final URL and mobile final URL. Next we have price extension URL options, click on it and enter your advanced details. Here you also have selected days and hours options, click on it. Here you need to enter more details and then click on Save button. So this is how you can add price extension. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 39. How to add a structured snippet extension. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add a structured snippet extension, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.